There are many reasons to set up a new general ledger account. Whether you are looking to redefine how you post data, or you simply need to improve your accounting system by providing different general ledger accounts, you are at the right place. Today I will guide you through the creation of a new GL account so you can do it by yourself in your own Dynamics 365. It is quite simple, but I will make sure to show you each step of the process. First, you need to click on Finance and Chart Accounts or use the search function to find Chart of Accounts. You will then see several charts of accounts, balance sheets, and so on. To create a new GL account, you will need to click on New in the top menu. At this point, you will need to enter a number. Careful, the number needs to be unique. So for this case, let's enter 8450. For the purpose of this video, we will create a GL account for video creation. Here I need to select if it is an income statement or a balance sheet. Why does it matter? Because the system will use this field when closing the income statement at the end of the fiscal year. Let's say that it is an income statement account. We can select an account category or subcategory. Even though these fields are not mandatory, I would advise you to use them because it will enable you to use various financial reports. As you can see, you can select one of their predefined categories. For this situation, let's select an expense account. Here you can see several examples created by default in our demo account. In this one, we will use advertising expense. As you can see, you have the possibility to choose if it is a debit or credit account. Then you can select the account type. With the account type, you can structure your chart of accounts. To demonstrate this, let's go back to Chart of Accounts. You can see the different account, and by assigning the account type, you can create the structure of your chart of accounts. You will also see begin total, the end total, and just plain and simply total. Now if you use begin total and total, you can use the function indent chart of accounts, and then the system will automatically indent all the lines between a begin total and an end total. Easy, isn't it? Indenting these accounts gives you a specific structure, which makes the chart of accounts easier to use. I have to add here the indent chart of account function also automatically creates the totaling formulas. That's again very interesting to use. As you can see from what I've shown you already, creating a new GL account is a quick and easy way to make your work life simpler. But we are not done, so let me search for my account because it's not yet completed. Here we go with the maintenance products. Now we'll open the account card again. In this case, I want to do something a little bit different and stick with posting it. Why? Because this is an account I would like to post to, which is called a posting account. Then totaling is not necessary here because totaling is only necessary when the account type is total or end total. Then at the right side, I can assign the account as a reconciliation account. What is a reconciliation account? It is an account that is retrieved in the report that you can run from the general journal. And it will give you an overview of the balance of an account that you would have before and after posting. Then automatic extended text. I will leave this blank because there is no extended text for this account. Also, we have to talk about direct posting because it is a very important field. It is used to enable or disable posting directly to the account. So there are GL accounts that you assign to posting group like the receivable accounts, the payable accounts, and so on. And you would clear the field. In short, direct posting is not allowed there because of the choice you made. You can only post through a posting group. For those reasons, I will leave this field selected because I would like to post directly to the account. But for some accounts, it could be very interesting to clear the fields. Here we see the function blocked. Okay, that's quite obvious, isn't it? Here I can also select to omit the default description in journals. For the purpose of this video, I will leave this blank. And then we can go to the next tab, which is the posting tab. Now this tab is also very important because it can enable the calculation of a GL account. The basic rule I always apply is that when you would like to use the GL account in a document such as a purchase invoice, a sales order, or others, you will have to assign values in these fields because these values are used by the system to calculate, for example, VAT. Let's start with the first field, which is quite self-explanatory, purchase sales. This is of course a typical purchase account. Then there's a general business posting group. Here I can select one of the existing posting groups. I will use domestic for the video. It can be complicated, but in short, the general business posting group with the VAT business posting group can be overruled by the business posting groups that are assigned to the customers and vendors. So these will only be used in certain parts, like journals where you don't use a customer or a vendor. Incidentally, it also means you don't have to enter the business posting group and the VAT business posting group. But it's not a problem if you do. Simple and easy to use, it is the true Dynamics 365 way. Here, we can also talk about the product posting groups that are really important for your operations. Trust me, you are going to rely a lot on them. So for an example, here I will select one of the existing product posting groups. I could select miscellaneous or services, but for this video, let's pick services. As you can see, there is a lot of value in creating a new GL account. Whether it is to get a more customized account better suited to your needs or simply for a peace of mind style of management, you are covered with GL account. I hope this video helped you understand the ins and outs of creating a new GL account. Stay tuned for future videos that will talk more about the subcategories.